For today's video guys, dito tayo sa aming bundok. Naghahanap ako ng panggatong. Alright. Meron ako ditong nakita. Wait a minute. Ito guys, maraming baging. Ito so guys. Mahaba. At ito na guys yung ating kahoy, no. Bali hindi ko nang na video yung mga kanina kasi solo lang, wala kasama, walang videographer guys. Ito na guys yung ating panggatong at na talian na rin, no. Yan, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching.